Good morning students. How are you? Students, you already know simple addition, subtraction and multiplication. So today I am going to teach you your 11th topic, word problems based on addition, subtraction and multiplication of chapter 1, quick recap, and this is video number 7. So students, open your copy and start writing with me. So your 11th topic is read the following number stories and solve them. So students, before starting from your book, I am going to explain one word problem, simple word problem. So students, write this word problem. Meera had 6 pencils. And her friend gave her 2 more pencils. How many pencils does Meera have all together? So students, what we have to do here? We have to write here statement. Statement. And this side, workspace. So students, read this. Meera had 6 pencils and her friend gave her 2 more pencils. How many pencils does Meera have altogether? So what you have to do, first of all, just see, you have to write the statement. How you will write the statement, and after that you have to do the workspace. So how many pencils Meera had? So Meera had 6 pencils. So here you will write number of pencils Meera had. How many pencils Meera had? Meera had 6 pencils. So here we will write 6. And her friend gave her how many more pencils? 2 more pencils. So here you have to write number of pencils her friend gave. How many pencils her friend gave? 2 pencils. So here we will write 2. And see, how many pencils does Meera have altogether? See, See, here it is all together. When the word will come all together, total, then what you have to do? You have to add here. So see, what you will do? Here you have written number of pencils. Meera had 6. Number of pencils her friend gave 2. So, how many pencils does Meera have all together? So, you have to write total number of total number of pencils Meera have altogether. How many pencils? So what we have to do? Here we will add these numbers. So 6 pencils Meera had and her friend gave her 2 more pencils. Now what we have to do? We have to add these numbers. So 6 plus 2. Tell me the students. Yes, 6 plus 2, 8. So here we will write 8. So 6 plus 2 is equals to 8 pencils. How many pencils? 8. 8 pencils. So do this in your copy, students. Now students, I am giving you one word problem from your book. So students, this question I have given you from your maths course book. See, a fruit seller sold 32 mangoes. He was left with 13 mangoes. How many mangoes did the fruit seller have in the beginning? So what you have to do in this, student? Again, you have to write statement and workspace. So first of all, write statement. S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T. Statement, and here workspace. W-O-R-K-S-P-A-C-E. Written, students? See, what you have to do? You have to write first statement. So, a fruit seller sold 32 mangoes. So, what you have to write? First statement, how you will write? Write number of mangoes a fruit seller sold is equals to a fruit seller sold 32 mangoes. So what you have to write? You have to write 32. So here you will write 3 and here you will write 2. Again, he was left with 13 mangoes. So your second statement will be number of mangoes left with him. So what you will write? How many mangoes left with him? 13. So here you will write 1 here and 3 here. So students, what you have to do now? Tell me. Again you have to write third statement. So what will be our third statement? So write number of mangoes fruit seller had in the beginning. So what you have to do here? Again you have to add to find how many mangoes did the fruit seller have in the beginning. So we will add here. So 2 plus 3, we will start adding from this side only. Okay. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 3 plus 1. Yes, very good. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So how many mangoes did the fruit seller had in the beginning? So write here 32 plus 13 is equals to 45 mangoes. So students, written number of mangoes a fruit seller sold 32, number of mangoes left with him 13, number of mangoes fruit seller had in the beginning. See what you have to do, 32 plus 13 is equals to 45 mangoes. Understood students? Okay. Now again, before starting second question from the book, I will explain you one more simple question. There were 8 sweets in a bowl. 6 sweets were eaten. How many sweets are left in the bowl? So students, what you have to do here? Again, you have to write statement and word space. So write statement and here word space. So how you will write? Start writing first statement. So there were 8 sweets in a bowl. So number of sweets in a bowl is equals to how many sweets? 8. So here you will write 8. And 6 sweets were eaten. So number of sweets eaten is equals to how many sweets eaten? 6 sweets eaten. So here we will write 6. Now tell me students, the third, what I will write the third statement. How many sweets are left in the bowl? So what we will write here? Number of sweets left in a bowl is equals to. So students, what you have to do here? See, when there will come left, taken away, then what you have to do? You have to subtract. So here we will give subtraction sign. And so 8 minus 6, we are taking 6 sweets from 8. So what you have to do? Subtract, and 8 minus 6 will be, very good, 2. So number of sweets left in the bowl, 8 minus 6 is equals to 2 sweets. Okay students, now I am giving you question from your maths course book. The second question means the second subtraction question I will give you from the book now. There are 48 students in a class. 17 students were absent on a particular day. How many students were present on that day? So students, what you have to do? Again you have to write statement and workspace. So write here statement. And here workspace. So there are 48 students in a class. So what you have to write? Number of students in a class. So how many students are there in a class? 48. So here we will write 48. Means here we will write 4, here we will write 8. So 17 students were absent on a particular day. So what we will write? Number of students were absent is equals to how many students were absent? 17. So here what we will write? 17. Again, how many students were present on that day? So here again we have to write number of students were present on that day. So how many? What we have to do? Again we have to subtract. Very good. So 8 minus 7. Yes, 1. And 4 minus 1. 3. Very good, students. So how many students were present on that day? So what you have to do? 48 minus 70 is equals to 31 students. So students, you all understood word problems based on addition and subtraction. There is no problem. Okay students, now let's move to the next question. Here also, before giving the question from the book, I will give you one example. A bike has 2 wheels. How many wheels will be there in 3 bikes? So what you have to do, students? Again, statement and workspace. So here write statement. And here workspace. So what you have to do in this word problem, students? Just see, a bike has 2 wheels. So what you have to write? Number of wheels in a bike. So how many wheels? A bike has 2 wheels. So here number of wheels in a bike is equals to 2. So how many wheels will be there in 3 bikes? So what you have to write? Number of bikes. So number of bikes is equals to 3. So students, what you have to do? You have to find. है ना? So what you will write here in third statement? number of wheels in all. So what you have to do? See, it is given here that one bike has 2 wheels. So how many wheels will be there in 3 bikes? So you have to find how many wheels will be there in 3 bikes. So what you have to do? Here to find, you have to multiply. To find the answer, what you have to do? Multiply. So 3 2s are 6. So here you will write 6. So number of wheels in all is equals to 2 into 3 is equals to 6 wheels in 3 bikes. Okay. So in one bike there are 2 wheels. Okay. So in 3 bikes there will be 6 wheels. Now students, I will give you next question from your book. There were 9 people in a birthday party. If each of them ate 2 sandwiches, how many sandwiches did they eat? So again write here statement. Here workspace. So number of people in a birthday party. Is equals to how many? 9. So here we will write 9. If each of them ate 2 sandwiches, again number of sandwiches each of them ate is equals to 2. How many sandwiches did they eat? So what we will write? Number of sandwiches they ate. So what we have to do here? Again we have to multiply. So 2 9s are, tell me students. Yes, very good. 2 9s are 18. So how many sandwiches? What you have to do? 9 into 2 is equals to 18 sandwiches. So number of sandwiches they ate, 9 into 2 is equals to 18. So students, today I have taught you word problems based on addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now note down your homework students. Worksheet 1.5, question number 1, 2 and 3. And again worksheet 1.6, question number 1, 2 and 3. So students, at the end of this video, I will give you the picture of these pages.